Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to make a cute balloon lion cub. I make the lion cub body out of orange latex balloons. I use an 18-inch balloon for head and a 12-inch balloon for body. Also, I need 2 modeling balloons, sized to 160. I have prepared the pieces of a balloon for modeling, for tying balloons. Tie 2 modeling balloons together and cut off the excess part.
The wife takes the child, hi-ho the dairy-o. The wife takes the child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse, hi-ho the dairy-o. The child takes the nurse.
Now I inflate the 18-inch orange balloon to its full volume. After inflating, I push balloon several times to the table to change its shape so that the lion cub's head is round.
Hi-ho the dairy-o. The cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat.
Now I'm pressing a knot of modeling balloons to the top of an orange 18-inch balloon. I press the knot down hard, start pushing it through, and at the same time let the air out of the balloon. I push the knot through until the balloon is completely deflated and intercept the knot from the back of the balloon. Then I tie the knot tightly with a modeling balloon.
The dairy-o. The mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone.
Now I inflate the big orange balloon again, press it to change its shape, and tie it into a regular knot. Now I take 2 modeling balloons, pull them out well and tie them to the knot of a large orange balloon. Take a close look at how I fix the sculpting balls around the node of a large orange balloon. Look at the modeling balloons, they fit very tightly to the balloon. Now I inflate a 12-inch balloon in order to eliminate marriage, blowing it away. And again I inflate with a hand pump for 14 full pump. I'm making a knot at the very end of the balloon. Then I do an apple twist. Now I'm tying the lion cub's head and torso together very tightly. After tying, I cut off the extra part. Now I'm making a gorgeous mane for a lion cub. To do this, I inflate 5-inch beige balloons and calibrate them by 10 centimeters. I tie the calibrated balloons together in pairs. I have prepared 14 such pairs. Now I slip each pair under the modeling ball and thus form the lion cub's mane. Now I'm making lion cub paws out of 2 brown 10-inch balloons. I inflate each balloon with 4 full pumps. Then I do 2 apple twists. Please note that I tie the brown balloons at the base and leave a large tail. I do this because I use large balloons and I need a small apple twist. You can also use 5-inch balloons for this purpose by inflating them with 3 or 4 full pumps. I make the ears of a lion cub in the technique of plastic. To do this, I use 12-inch brown balloons with gold flecks. I take an orange modeling balloon, folding it by 1/3, and place it inside a brown balloon. I inflate a brown balloon, then, holding the neck tightly, inflate the modeling balloon. I'm inflating a sculpting balloon with 2 full pumps. After inflating, I hold the neck of the brown balloon. I pull out the 2 ends of the balloon for modeling and make 2 tight knots. I'm cutting off the extra part. Now I'm inflating the brown balloon again. The orange modeling balloon has fallen inside the brown balloon, and in this position I begin to model and give the shape of the ear to the orange balloon. I'm slightly pressing together the upper part and the part with the knot of the orange ball for modeling. I shape the ear so that the end of the brown balloon is exactly in the middle on the back of the ear. Now I'm making a tight knot and cutting off the extra part. Look, I'm slightly pressing the parts of the ears against each other so that they are slightly drooping. Now I'm inflating a 10-inch brown balloon with 2 full pumps. I'm tying the balloon. I divide the balloon into 2 parts with my hand, squeeze, twist, fix it with tail of balloon and tie a knot. I made 2 such twists. These will be the upper paws of a lion cub. So, all the parts are ready, and we begin to finally assemble the lion cub. I push the upper paw through the modeling balloon. At this stage, you can adjust the number of double balloons. If the volume of the balloons turned out to be more than necessary, remove the extra pair of balloons. Now I glued ears with a hot gun. I use a low-temperature hot glue gun with a power of 20 watts. I turn on the hot gun. As soon as it starts to fold, I turn it off. In this case, the glue does not heat up much. It is soft and not very hot. In this case, the balloons do not burst. And so, with the help of a hot glue gun, I glue the lower paws. You can glue the lion cub's muzzle with the stickers that you received as a gift for this video lesson, but now I will show you how the lion cub's muzzle can be made with balloons. I fold a 6/0 size modeling balloon by a third and place it inside a 12-inch beige balloon. Next, I inflate a beige balloon, hold the neck and inflate the balloon for modeling with 3 full pumps. Next, I simultaneously picky the neck of the balloon and both ends of the balloon for modeling. I pull out the ends of the modeling balloon, make 2 knots, cut off the extra part, and now I'm shaping a muzzle. I showed you in great detail how I do it in the video. Please take a look. On the reverse side, I tied the exchange, the balloon into a knot and cut off the extra part. I made a small bubble the size of 2 fingers from a black balloon for modeling. This is the nose. I glue it to the muzzle. Now I'm gluing the muzzle to the lion cub with double Scotch tape. I also made the eyes out of the remaining black modeling balloon. The size of the bubble is 2 fingers. I'll glue the eyes with double Scotch tape. To fix the distance between the head and the body, I will make a bow for the lion cub. I pre-stretch and inflate a blue balloon for modeling with 3 full pumps. I tie a balloon, make a bubble about 12 centimeters long and do 2 tight pinches. Then I make 2 loops for 4 fingers. I fix these loops between 2 pinches. I make an 8 centimeters bubble, tie a balloon for modeling and cut off the excess parts. Now I pull out and inflate the second sculpting ball with 3 full pumps. I bend the balloon a little and pass it between the body and the head of the lion. I tightly tie both ends of the balloon. With the tips of the modeling ball, I tie a bow and cut off the extra part. The tail of the lion cub can be made from a long brown balloon for modeling, sized 160. It is better to glue the balloon for modeling with a double glue tape. The cute lion cub is ready. It is very beautiful, durable, stable. Your customers will be satisfied. Thank you for watching us.